How to turn off or on play videos in the background on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and now click Hub and then click these three lines, Settings, and then click App Settings and scroll down, and here we'll find background play. Now you can turn it off or on just by one click, and I hope that can help you because it's easy. And after managing it, just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.